Hey guys, Danielle here with Howard Hanna. I wanted to do a video today about USDA loans. So you may have heard me mention them before. They're the zero down payment loans, so literally zero money out of pocket. And if you're thinking, that sounds too good to be true, it's not. It's 100% true. I actually have a USDA loan myself, and they're typically something that first-time home buyers use, but they don't have to be just for first-time home buyers. So you can use them if it's your 10th house. It doesn't have to be a first-time homebuyer house, but I'm going to kind of relate it in that sense because it is usually something that first-time homebuyers use. So I'll relate it to renting and the cost savings. So there was a time where I was selling a house and it sold very quickly, and I wasn't 100% sure in the area that I wanted to buy a house in. So decided to rent for a year, and I did my research. I looked around, and I ended up finding a single family house. I thought that would be the best option since I'd owned before. I didn't want to move into an apartment complex and share walls with anybody. So I found a house to rent, and the rent was $1,320. So $1,320 is what I was paying in rent, and I didn't think that that was bad for a single family house. It's definitely not bad for a single family house, but 4 months in, I started getting a little antsy. Like I said, I had owned a house previously, so I wasn't used to having to call to paint a room or to do something to the house. So I started getting a little antsy and started the search for a house, and fell in love with a house that was actually very similar to the one that was being rented for the $1,320, and ended up buying that house. So these houses are apples to apples comparables as far as location, size, and all of that good stuff. So the difference in payment, you're probably going to fall off your chair. It was $390. So like I said, $1,320 was the rent, and just to be honest with you guys, my mortgage payment is $930, so that's $390 a month. Like, that's crazy, right? So I always knew that it was cheaper to buy than it is to rent, but at the end of the day, I didn't think that it would be that much of a savings. That's over $4,000 a year, and I paid no money out of my pocket to buy the house. Like, that just blows my mind, and it should blow yours too, because it's crazy when you really think about it. Almost $4,000, well, over $4,000 a year savings buying a house versus renting a house. And I have all the freedom to do whatever I want because it's my house now. So I just wanted to share that little tidbit with you guys. And there's only 2 restrictions when it comes to USDA loans. So it's location. So they're more meant for rural areas. So if you're buying in a city or something of that sort, it's not going to be eligible. And the other requirement is income. Now, you don't have to be at the poverty level or be low income or anything of that sort. You just can't make an astronomical amount of money. But we can definitely go over those details. But a lot of areas in central PA qualify for USDA because we're not a built-up area. So if you guys think that that's something you might be interested in, let's chat. It really is a great loan program. And again, I have it myself, so I can vouch for it 100%. So thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you found some great information in the video today. I'll talk to you soon.